The only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. Good morning students, I am Chandrakant Tiwari. Welcome to my YouTube channel Usha Learning Classes. We are going to conduct video classes of class 10th mathematics CBSE board in a series of videos. In our previous videos in chapter 3 pair of linear equation in two variables, we have completed the topics general form of a pair of linear equation in two variables and graphical method of solving a pair of linear equation in two variables. Today we continue pair of linear equation in two variables and we will cover the topics as number first condition for solvability of linear equations, number second CBSE board exam question solved, number third solution of previous assignment question 8, number 4 assignment question 9. Come to our first topic, condition for solvability of linear equation in two variables. Let a system of a pair of linear equations in two variables are a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 has a unique solution if a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, has infinitely many solutions if a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2 and has no solution for such that inconsistent if a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. Come to our next topic, 2 CBSE board exam solved questions. Question is, find the value of k for which the system of equations kx plus 2y equal to 3 and 3x plus 6y equal to 10 has a unique solution. The given equations are the given system of equations are kx plus 2y minus 3 equal to 0 and 3x plus 6y minus 10 equal to 0. On comparing with a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, we get a1 equal to k, b1 equal to 2, c1 equal to -3 and a2 equal to 3, b2 equal to 6, c2 equal to -10. We know that for a unique solution a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. This implies that k by 3 not equal to 2 by 6. This implies that k not equal to 1. Hence, system of linear equation is have a unique solution for all values of k, for all real values of k other than 1. Come to our next topic, solution of previous assignment question 8. Question was, solve the following system of linear equations graphically. Equations are 3x plus y minus 11 equal to 0 and x minus y minus 1 equal to 0. To solve it graphically, we need two lines, and to find the lines, we need 2 points on each equation. So let us try to find the points on each equation to draw the line. Let us find the points on the lines of each equation. We form two tables. Each for one equation and find the solution of the equations. From equation 1, x is here and y equal to 11 minus 3x. When x equal to 3, y equal to 2. When x equal to 2, y equal to 5. And from second equation, y equal to x minus 1. When x equal to 3, y equal to 2. When x equal to 0, y equal to minus 1. This is 1 and this is 2. We try to plot it on graph paper. We try to plot it. . 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is x-axis. 1 -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 -6, and -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 -6, and so on. This is y dash and this is y. This is y axis. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Plot these points on graph. X equal to 3 and y equal to 2. X is 3 and y is 2. This is the point. X equal to 2, y equal to 5. X equal to 2 and y equal to 5. This is the point. So the first line is to join these points. This is the line, and we name this line as 3x plus y minus 11 equal to 0. We try to plot another line. Another equation is 3 and 2. Point is 3 and 2. This point is 3 and 2, and 0 and -1. X equal to 0, y equal to -1. This is point. We join these 2 points to find the line. This line we called x minus y minus 1 equal to 0. Clearly both lines intersect at 3 2. So our required solution of pair of linear equation, since lines intersect, lines of each equation intersects at 3 2. Therefore required solution of given pair of equations is x equal to 2, x equal to 3 and y equal to 2. Come to our last topic of today's video, assignment question 9. Question is, find the value of k for which the pair of linear equations kx plus 3y equal to k minus 2 and 12x plus ky equal to k has no solution. Try to solve it. If you solve, then give your answers in comment box, and if you are not able to solve, then we will solve it for you in the next video. Before concluding today's session, I just want to quickly say that if you like this video or you want more videos on math, then please subscribe my channel, hit like button, and do not forget to share and comment guys. Thanks for watching.